jumping into the null sec system. I'll see if I can tackle him on the other side. Alright, Gwen. Game face. Game face. I don't even have to go there. CO2, he's right here. Did we get a second to look at your ship, buddy? See what kind of guns you got on there? You don't have any fucking guns on there. Yeah, you do. Put some ogres out on this dude. Try and keep him at range here. Shouldn't have turned, should I? I'm doing okay. Get a little bit of transversal up here. Slow him down again. Ogres is still hitting him pretty hard. I am having to dual rep here though. I'm gonna try and get a bit more range out of this dude. What? Two of my ogres aren't fighting. What the fuck is this? My cap up here. Repping a bit late here. Slow him down again. Might actually die here. My ogres stopped fighting again. What the fuck is this? Overheat, burn out of his range here. Burned out my fucking web though. Might have to bail out of this one. I don't know though. Repping late again. Going into hull here. So is he though. I am managing to keep up with him though. Dual repping here like a boss. Looks like he's breaking. Looks like he's breaking. Yeah. Overheat both of these for a second. Ooh, this has been a good ass fucking fight. I think I've got him, boys. I think I got him. Good fight, man. Good fight. Honorable 1v1. I love it. Damn, dude. Good fight, good fight. Alright, so we got a Hurricane 1v1 instantly. It's a good fucking fight, man. Shit. Really happy about that. He did manage to kill one of my ogres in the end there. My ogres were being a little derpy. I'm not sure if you guys caught everything there. But they stopped kind of... they stopped shooting him in between. I'm not sure what that was. I'll have to go pick up another ogre here. I definitely need to dock up though. This was a sexy start of the stream, dude. Hurricane, I saw he had autocannons, that's why I kept my range on him. He was still hitting me, but it was manageable. I had 2 reps. Let me check that in a second. Let me just go see what I can loot from here. Did use a bit of stuff here. Paste, perfect. Nom 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 nom. Warrior. Take both of these things. I want those. I want those. Can I fit them all? Yes, I can. I don't give a shit about that. Show info. Do you have a repair thing? Yes, you do.